name is Thomas Wett. I am a scientist in geography.
I'm Moni. I'm a plant ecologist in the University of Rennes, working on landscape ecology, and we both coordinate Work Package 4. The main objective of Work Package 4 is to address the impacts of land use and land cover changes on habitat diversity, and to know how to design blue and green infrastructure to counteract these impacts. So it will apply a framework that combines both environmental predictors and remote sensing, and we'll have that will give birth to habitat maps all over the Atlantic region.
In Work Package 4 of ALICE, we will also use a land use and land cover change model to simulate the future landscape changes. We will consider different assumptions of climate change and socioeconomic context, and we will simulate business as usual for all case studies. For one case study, the French one, we will simulate also contrasted scenarios that have been built through the participatory process in the Work Package 3, and we will assess on all these scenarios the impact of the land use policies on the efficiency of the blue-green infrastructure network.
So we'll compare the current land cover maps to the ones that are coming from the simulation based on the scenarios, and then we will assess the gains and losses of habitats, and especially of habitats with ecological interest. That will enable us to assess the impacts on biodiversity in general.